ka pwede
Don't cry.
Hi babe, it's 5.8. Hello, bonjour, what's up, welcome back to our channel. So today's feature will be Micah's surgery journey. So right now we are in Nova Scotia, Halifax, and Micah will be undergoing surgery at the IWK Children's Hospital Center, and we are now staying at the Ronald McDonald's house. So come on, let's go. So on the way to Halifax, you will pass a toll and you're gonna pay a toll fee of $4. And if you wanna take a pee break also, there's a washroom there.
Hello. Can I? Thank you so much. You too.
We stopped at Millbrook area to gas up, and we decided to take a late lunch also at the Cheese Curds. And in fairness, the food there is delicious, especially the burgers and the proteins. And yeah, it's yum yum yum. Micah, dili ka pwede
Don't cry. Look at that one that's gonna talk.
Hi, Micah. Hi. Micah. This is the RMHC, or the Ronald McDonald House Charities, and we are staying here. And this is our room. So we are only paying $11 per night, and there are 2 beds. Hi kids. Then it's very nice because they always prepare activities for the families or for the patients that are staying here in the house. Hello, self.
Hello, self.
And there's a playground outside.
Yep.
Makita ra diri from our room. And our Micah. Are you ready for your surgery, baby?
Yeah. Ready.
And tomorrow na.
Not tomorrow.
Good luck, my love. God bless. Mawala na iyang Cleft. Say hi. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Tomorrow is my surgery day.
It's Micah's surgery day. Where's Daddy?
Ikaw, bilin na ka dire ha.
No.
Kamu ni Daddy.
No.
This is IWK Hospital. That is the entrance.
Wala na kung ikuan kay malarm.
Alin na koy. Come on.
I'm trying to see the team cartoon.
Ano garo na?
Asa tamutan na.
Don't come.
Ay, move na.
IWK. Where are we? Labang. So, mo ni siya ang among gistayhan. This is the Ronald McDonald House. That one, kanang with red door. So that is exclusive only for children that are admitted or that has an appointment in the hospital.
Hindi na ka mag-play after 9.
Alin ako eh.
Bawal na mag-play. Tomorrow na morning mag-play ta. Okay?
It's night.
Yeah,
Oh,
mag-play ta.
it's nighttime na.
Play a little bit.
No, not a little bit. No more na jud.
I need to watch
Baby, ready na among Mika. Ah. Hi. Hi. Mana siya ututoy. Time check. It's 8:45 in the morning. And I'm eating my breakfast. Hi, baby. Hi. Are you excited for your surgery today? Huh? Are you excited, my love? Huh? Look at mommy. Hi. Hey, Bones. So, this is your last look of Mika before her surgery. Hey, good morning. Asa di kaya? Koy, wait akoy. Pabli ang bag ko mo. Okay.
Mawalit na na.
Yan, nara diri.
Bigay mo yung bilhin ng card.
Masa ang card? Oo, no. Nakalimot na ko. So, good morning. Wait, asa lang ko? What happened? Okay. Hi. Kuya Matthew.
Hi, hockey ball.
Yeah, so we are on our way now to the hospital. Today is Mika's surgery. Today is May 8th, 2023.
No.
And her surgery time is 11:30 in the morning. And time check right now, it's 9:30. And by 9:45, we need to be in the hospital already. So, gikan mi sa house, naglakaw rami. And let's go. Please pray for Mika. So, that is IWK. It's just one block from the hospital, from the Ronald McDonald House. What happened to you, Koy?
I'm so tired.
Uy, dili ka pwede mag-ride. Almost na ta, almost. Say hi na lang to the video.
Hi.
Di ka pwede. Hold, mami, Koy. Kaya madagma na sad ka, Koy. So, we are now approaching the hospital. Come on, Koy. Halifax. Oh, our baby is asleep. Dad, what can you say for Mika? Kulbaan na ka? Are you anxious? So, we're here already. The children's building. Come on, Koy. Here, Koy. Alita sa walkway, Koy. Yeah. So we need to be there at 9:45 a.m. Okay, prepare pa nila si Micah. And also, I'll be the only one who can go inside the hospital since Matthew is not allowed. So Daddy and Matthew will be left at the Ronald McDonald House. Let's go.
Where?
Come on, come on.
My ribs didn't hurt.
Here.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a schedule for surgery. What's the last name? Tito. T-I-T-O-N. And the first name? It's Micah.
Yeah, so we're right out the door. So I don't know if you know what doors they have.
Has anybody tested positive for COVID in the last 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Anybody have any cold or flu symptoms?
No.
Do you know how to get there?
Not sure.
Okay. You want the green elevators, so follow the signs for the green elevators.
Okay.
And then you want to take the green elevator to the third floor.
Alright, third floor. So after we get out from the elevators, or that's it?
There's signs for day surgery.
Okay, thank you. Green elevators then. Wala lagi siyang likod. Not.
Kuhain ko rin ganyan.
Basi no. Sagasa. Ganyan. Third floor.
Third floor. Fourth floor. Adit.
Emergency voice call. Nakasudong gabi.
Okay.
This is second floor. Asang close ni? Tara.
Second floor ito. Early exercise. Right?
Ano mo dad? Surgery. Hi. Where is the surgery area?
Surgery?
Ay, Pinoy
Dito
po.
ba?
Ay, hello po. Pwede po po makapasok?
Okay.
Thank you. Pwede kasi po ako pumasok. Sige. Ay, okay.
Nanigurada lang pag bawal. May bata at sige.
Salamat po.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Thank you. Sit down first.
Ay, sorry. Thank you. Hi, Koy. Hi, babe. It's 5.8. Hello. Hello, Micah. Micah is on her surgery gown now.
Where are we going? Where's our car, Mom? Parking lot?
Lablab sa si Daddy and Mika. Gutom na mo palong ko paluoy na oy. Gutom na ko. Di man ka pwede mo eat. Di pa man ka pwede mo eat. Love lang sa ka, Daddy, ha? Hey, Dada.
Hey, get my phone, please. You don't.
Good luck, Mika. Good luck.
Would you like Mika?
This is the clan. Kiss Mika's head. I mean fix. Mommy will kiss Mika's head. Good luck, my love. Mika, my love. Good luck, Mika, my love. God bless you, baby.
Kitty, kitty, gan. Naku. Eight. 8 na.
Over there. Hanggang nagat. Among Mika. Hungry na among Mika ba? Ay, kaluoy.
Kasi mo blue star.
Check, it's 10:20. Gutom na among Mika.
Blue.
Kaya last tutoy ni Mika. Pag 8:30 a.m.
Blue star.
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
find the blue star?
That's you. That's you.
Can you find the blue
That's you,
star?
baby. That's you. Mika.
Only one man. Another one. A purple ladybug.
Sorry, babe. Di ko tutoy na namin. Tapos bawal naman. You have a lot of toys, my love. Oh. Hi, baby.
That's the 4.
How about number 5?
Hi, Mika. Hello, Mika, Mika. Oh, it's 10:30 almost na. Hello, Mika. Oh, yes. Is that you? Is that you, baby? Oh. Morning.
Good morning. My name is Ahmed. I'm the resident worker, Dr. Bezuhly.
Hi,
Is this
Doctor.
Mika?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi there. She has a hair there. Okay. So I just have a couple questions. Is she on any medications? At all?
No, but right now she's taking Tylenol.
Just Tylenol. Okay.
Yeah.
Any allergies?
So far, no.
No allergies. Okay. And what has she had anesthesia before?
No, this will
No.
be her first
First
time.
time?
Yes.
And is there any family history problems with anesthesia?
No.
No. And is there any bleeding history in the family?
No.
No. Okay. Otherwise, is there anything in her health we should know about? Or
So far she's doing good. Yeah,
Doing
she's
great.
healthy.
okay, little cutie?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be right back with Dr. Rizzo.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
doctor.
Oh my god, you look like a little, oh my god, you look like a little doll. She's amazing.
Yeah, thank
Were
you.
you that cute? You were? Okay, just checking. Holy moly guacamole, yeah. So today's the last day of the hook.
Yes.
What I'm gonna basically do is, depending on how much work I need to do on the nose, you may notice that when she wakes up, she'll have a rubber sort of stent in the nose
Yeah.
that will be sutured in, as we discussed.
Okay.
But the major thing today is just repairing the lip and making the nose even. We're also going to close the nostril all the way back until we reach something that you will not see, you shouldn't see, well you might be able to see if you look really far in there.
Okay.
It's called the inferior turbinate. So it's actually this little red piece that gets inflamed when you have a cold or if you have sinus infection or allergies.
Okay.
So you actually close the nostril all the way back
Okay.
so that she can pick her nose later on. Okay. And then basically what that does is that's the top of where the bone will go when we need to put the bone graft in. And then that also sort of fixes the palate up to the front of the palate. Or just the front of the palate. Okay. Risks of the surgery today: a risk of a general anesthetic, risk of bleeding, risk of infection, risk of dehiscence, meaning it pops open. The likelihood of that is very low, but it's not zero. So if she bops herself, or if you don't keep the arm splints on her and she scratches at her lip or rubs at her face, she can tear the stitches out. So the arm splints stay on for 2 weeks. Okay. And then depending on how much work I need to do on the nose, the stent that I put in, that thing that goes in her nose, will either stay in until next week when I take out her stitches, or for a full month. Okay? And it just stays in there. And what you'll do is you'll take, do you have the little bulb syringe, you know, the little blue green, to suction out her nose?
Okay.
You'll suction out some of the boogers that will get caught in there.
Okay.
She'll breathe through her mouth anyway, but it's not the end of the
Can
world.
we wipe it also with
Yeah,
the
you can
breast
wipe it
pump?
out with a Q-tip, but
Okay.
sometimes it's hard to get a Q-tip through that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Particularly one side is going to have a knot from the suture that's used to hold it in, so you can't go in the nostril that's the cleft nostril. But if
Okay.
you want to clean out the one on the right, I'll talk to you about that if we need to.
Okay.
But that's it. She'll have a ton of freezing in there afterwards, and her lip will be quite swollen. But then after things settle down, it should look really quite good.
Okay.
It takes about a week for the initial swelling to come down. So when you come back in a week, what it looks like then is what it's going to look like.
Okay.
Then Mother Nature will want the scar to thicken up, and that's when you're going to start massaging, starting it another 2 weeks after that. And then I'm going to see you back in clinic.
Okay.
If at that point the stent is still in there, we'll take it out in clinic. It's not a big deal. We cut the stitch, pull it out. It's like pulling out a booger.
Okay, I see.
So it's the same sort of thing. And this is the end of your hooks. So there you
Yeah.
go. They work beautifully. I mean, look at it. It looks the shape of the nostril looks amazing.
Yeah.
So it worked really well. Good job. That's it. Okay.
All right.
So today we're doing cleft lip and nasal repair plus minus nasal stent on Micah. I'm Dr. Bezuhly. Risks are anesthetic, bleeding, infection, dehiscence, meaning the cut opens up. Unfavorable scar means she forms a thick scar. Have either of you had scars or surgery?
So far, yeah. So far, her brother has the cut on.
Oh, right. And he healed fine. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. Asymmetry, we measure twice, 3 times to make sure that things line up perfectly.
Okay.
By design, we'll sometimes make the lip a little bit longer. We never make it shorter because there's only one way it's going to go, and that's to shorten. So if we're going to make it slightly longer, that's by design. So if it feels like the lip is really firm and it feels like it's naturally wanting to come back up, even after we've freed everything up, then we'll go, let's add a little bit of extra length here so that when the scar comes up,
Okay.
it doesn't pull up.
Okay.
And so we will do that by design. For her, I don't think we'll need to do that, but we'll see. Okay? Need for further surgery is always a risk. For sure, she's going to need other surgeries to fix the palate, to fix the bone, to put the bone graft in. Those are down the line. And then we'll be taking photos. Okay? We will not be giving blood. We touch wood.
Do we have the chance to get a copy of the photos?
Photos, yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Do you have an iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just
Okay. Okay.
I'll just
thank
drop
you.
them to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need your initials here and then a full signature here. You've got your hands full? It's up to you. So there you go. Initials there and then print there. Full signature. Initials there and then full signature there. And then you can just write mother after that. And then that's it. Okay. You met Dr. Alshamari. He'll be following me along too. He's the plastic surgery resident working with me. He'll be assisting me with the case. And that's it basically.
Okay.
I'll come out and talk to you afterwards. She'll look very different.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. I cannot get over her hair. That's amazing. Really good. Anyway, and then you'll be in here as long as it takes for her to be off narcotics.
Okay.
So just on Tylenol for pain. Have had a poop, or at least passing enough gas that poop is imminent. And then finally drinking well.
Okay.
feeding well. So no bottles, right? So
Yeah.
no bottles. It's going to be a syringe feed because you can't stuff the bottle
But
into
she
the
can do direct breastfeeding?
Does she not have a cleft palate?
No.
Oh, yeah, of course then.
Okay.
For some reason, I thought she had a palate.
No, just a lip.
Oh, perfect. Well, lip and gum line. She's going to need that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, then you can breastfeed right after. You
Okay.
can breastfeed today.
Almost done.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I totally for some reason I had in my head that she had a palate as well. No, it's just the gum line.
Yeah.
Perfect. That just means that when she's 5, we'll have to take some bone from her hip
For the gum.
for the gum line,
Oh.
and
Okay.
that's the last surgery she should need.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm getting my kids mixed up here because there's another kitty that's born around the same time as her that we're doing in a few weeks from now. Then 'Cause
Okay.
there are 3 babies born with a cleft.
Yeah.
All around the same time.
Oh.
2 of them had a lip and the gum line, and then 1 of them had the full palate. And I'm confusing which one it is, so that one must be for a few weeks from now. I can't really keep my family straight. I'm sorry.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. That's great. You can breastfeed.
Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah,
great
like in
to know.
recovery, they'll give you a room, and if she wants to take straight, then there you go. That's perfect. Because that's very different from a bottle, right? It's soft, so you can go for it.
Yeah. How many hours will the surgery take?
The surgery takes about 2 hours. Like of operative time, it's probably about an hour and a half
Okay.
to 2 hours. Like it's actually an hour and a half of actually like doing stuff.
Okay.
A lot of it's marking, measuring.
Yeah.
But she's under an anesthetic for about 2 hours. And then there's a little bit of extra time there because in babies, you want them to be fully awake when you pull the breathing tube out.
Okay.
If one is an adult, or even for him, you can pull the breathing tube out and they can still be asleep. But in a baby, you want them to be fully asleep because they can get into problems with their breathing.
Okay.
So that's why, even though we're done the surgery and I'll come out and talk to you,
Yeah.
after we're done, it might be another hour before you see her.
All right.
And that's normal, okay? Anyway, that's it. Perfect.
Yeah,
All right.
we're
We'll see you
excited.
soon. All right, I'll let you know how it went. Clearly, you're very
Yes.
welcome, and I will take some photos and I'll airdrop them.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
It's almost time now.
And ang doktor, kiat ang doktor.
Tara ang doctor. Hi, Dr. Matthew.
Look, hi.
Are you the doctor?
Yeah.
Are you going to
Okay.
fix Micah's mouth? Wow. How will you fix Micah's mouth?
Again, yeah, ikaw may video no. All done. Ada daw ang pabot.
Uy, mayapo.
Mayabo.
We're here in the cafeteria while waiting for Micah to finish her surgery. Mga unta.
Tingnan ako nga.
Manata.
Mga unta. Mga unta. Maunta.
What's that over there?
Matthew. Wala ko. Come on. Careful na.
That's it.
Ayan.
That's it.
Slowly no. Kami.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized. Gotta find my way to you. No matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you.
Is it okay if we take a video of her? Do you want to pick her up, Mom, or Dad? I'm Sarah, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a pillow, Mom. Hi, are you the big brother? Oh, you have a cute little we have to give you a little syringe and we'll show you how to feed her like that, okay?
But because Dr. Bezuhly told me that I can do the direct breastfeeding.
Okay, we'll have to double check with him, okay, before we, so just don't breastfeed her just yet, okay?
Okay.
We'll double check with him, if you can go ahead and directly put her to the breast, okay?
Okay.
But yeah, but if you pump as well.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so if not, we'll double check with him, and
Okay.
if not, we can definitely give her at least some breast milk,
Okay. Okay.
Alright?
Matiano.
Perfect. Yeah, she has to have her arm splints on, just
yeah,
so she doesn't get her hands in her mouth.
Okay.
So we just put them on, okay?
Alright, okay.
Hi. Perfect. So she did great. So we'll double check on a bit of breastfeeding, and if not, we'll show you how to use the
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh my God. Ano si Mommy, my love? How are you, my love? Oh, na-fix na yung gamot ni Micah, Koy.
Which one's that?
No, no touching. No touching.
The one that's that?
Sakit pa palangga. Sakit pa palangga.
Ayun, gitu.
Yes, palangga. Huwag po yung nose.
Come here, Matthew. Do not touch anything, okay?
Ay, kapiti, ano, baby.
Ay,
Can I count?
yeah.
Can I
Pretty man ang palangga.
Okay.
Hindi yung feeling nung ka nang wala kita sa surgeon, diba? Kamat mo sa una kita ang lugo.
see that? Dad.
Wait.
Pretty baby. Oh, totoy ka, mami. Uy, ano kang baby? Ano ba kayo ka?
Funny Mika.
Natupong di dyan. Mabag pa lang. Ayaw, boys. Mga taga ang laptop ni Daddy.
Good morning, Micah. It's second day today, and Micah had a suppository. There was a suppository inserted on her butt to make her poop. Hello, love. Hello, love. Since 11 p.m., Micah did not poop yet. Hey, love. Second day. The nose is still swelling and the mouth is still swelling. So the eyes. So she kept on crying, baby. Yeah, say good morning. Say good morning. Oops, 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 oops. Say good morning, my love. Good morning, everybody. I'm starting to get okay now. Okay na ka, my love? Micah, ha? Mahaba na na imong dami ron, no? May gisudlan mo pagtanggal imong lubot. Hello.
Where is that one?
Today is May 9 and we're now going to discharge. We're now ready to go back in the Ronald McDonald house. So Micah was just admitted for an overnight stay just to check after the surgery.
One. Oh.
Still so anxious because Micah is still so fussy. That is Micah's face for day 2. So, bye. Bye-bye.
Here.
Time check, it's 6:11.
Yep. This is the bottle window.
What?
This is the bottle window.
This is for...
Bottle window. There's
What will you give to the nurse?
that one and,
And
that one.
what's that?
That's chocolate.
Okay, let's go.
Lily can... Yo, this one.
You say thank... Ako mask. Where's my mask? So let's go. Bye room. Thank you for the happy. So that is room 6. Oh, I mean 764.
Wait for mom.
Ito.
Here. No, this one. No, that one. Make that one.
I'm videoing my camera.
Look at that.
Huh?
I can give you $100.
Here,
Ay,
Nancy, here.
give it to...
Alicia, come on. Here. Oh, no.
Hi, nurse. Come on. There.
Hi, nurse.
Go. Go there. Go there.
But hey, come here, Matthew, here. What will you say?
Thank you.
For what?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Malaki nino. place where we belong. Nasa man tayo? Ano raw? Hagdan oh.
Second floor dato.
Yeah.
Second mo ni.
Dito to, niyagi mo na to last.
Asahan na ni baby.
Asawa na to duhang stroller.
Ikot.
Dira, wag yan diha. Ato ra oh, parking oh, elevator. Oh. Charot CRD.
Dapat dito man ta no, babaw pa no.
Oo. Mura ko may agyanan sa
Murag mga natong kuan eh.
kinsa. Oh, nice kay lang hospital. Nasa Light Park. Outside the hospital.
Kanina naman ta no.
Yeah, kanana. Ang Kuya Matthew in town, gipislit ang aping sa Mika, mo nang perting hilaka, luoy taon kayo ang Mika. Ay, go home na ta, Mika. Hubag kayog ng si Mika na mo. Hubag sa ay, sige gila, kaluoy sa mong bebe. I miss your smile palangga. I miss your smile, Mika. Your face is so circle.
My face is so handsome.
Oh, yo. So far, that is the update for Mika's surgery. So, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video for more updates of Mika's recovery. Bye-bye. Au revoir.